Clemmensen reduction. Aldehydes and ketones give hydrocarbons when treated with amalgamated zinc and hydrochloric acid. Here the carbonyl group is reduced to methylene group. The expected yield will be more in the case of ketones. So we can say ketones are more effectively reduced than aldehydes. Generally, Clemmensen reduction is specific to carbonyl group. But when 4-oxo-4-phenyl butanoic acid is subjected to Clemmensen reduction, the acid group will not be disturbed and we will get only 4-phenyl butanoic acid. However, olefinic part will also get reduced along with the carbonyl group in alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Clemmensen reduction is easier to perform as this reduction takes place at room temperature. Wolff-Kishner reduction will be at high temperature, but recently, after some modifications, Wolff-Kishner reduction can also be performed at room temperature. Anyway, we will discuss that while we look into Wolff-Kishner reduction. Substrates that are sensitive to acid or substrates with high molecular mass will not undergo Clemmensen reduction, but they will undergo Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now let us see the mechanism of Clemmensen reduction. Of course, the mechanism is uncertain. However, Tadaki Nagabayasky, he suggested that electrons from zinc are added to carbonyl carbon followed by protonation. So, the oxygen of carbonyl group protonated to give intermediate 1 that involves in resonance. Electrons from zinc are transferred to one of the resonance structures to convert it into carbanion. This carbanion gets protonated along with hydroxyl group to give intermediate 2. Carbon-oxygen bond in this intermediate weakens and water is the leaving group, thus generated a carbocation. Again, electrons from zinc are transferred to carbocation to convert it into intermediate 2, a carbanion. This carbanion gets protonated to give the final product, alkane. Applications. When 1,3 diketones are subjected to Clemmensen reduction, it gives rearranged monoketones. With Clemmensen reduction, both ring expansion and ring contraction are possible. Thank you.